Mga ka-sweet loves, eto na yung Titanic Museum. Ang laki-laki niyang building, kung nakikita nyo lang.
This is the perfectly reserved maritime history in Titanic Belfast. This was built in the late 1910 up to 1911. Can you imagine how old it is, guys? And up till now, it was still there. As I'm looking into it, I still can't imagine that I am seeing it in my own eyes. I am not a Titanic enthusiast, but I love the movie and I love the story behind. The story of Jack and Rose is still amazed me until these days.
Mas naaalala nyo ba yung Titanic movie? Sabi niya, near, far, wherever you are, I believe. Oh, dyan na siguro nung nag-aano. Diba? Dyan yung likod ng ship. That was the back of the... hindi ko alam kung back ba yan or ano. Siguro, dyan yung pwede kang mag-look around while naglalayag sa dagat. So, kantahin natin. Near, far, wherever you are, I believe that my heart will go on. Once more, you open the door. I believe hindi ko na mo. So that was the replica of the ship, mga ka-sweetie pie. Pero itong dock na to is, it's still here. And it was been here since then. So dito talaga siya nagdadak, mga ka-sweet langs. And the one that I showed you a while ago, that was the original nasa harap. Para na siyang bato dahil parang bato na siya dahil sa tinagal-tagal na niya na ano, na nandyan siguro. So it was been recovered as well from the nung So mga ka-sweet langs, kung nagbabalak kayong mag-avail ng tour, and pwede kayong pumasok dyan sa loob ng ship para yung vibes is feeling mo daw talaga nasa way back year 19, kopong-kopong ka talaga. Kasi ganun daw yung ambience niya. Kaya, pero hindi na kami nag-avail ng ticket kasi hindi na kaya ng time namin dahil medyo nagmamadali na din kami, mga ka-sweetie pie, at may gagawin pa kami mamayang hapon. Kaya, may mga ganyan-ganyan siya dito. May mga informations about what was this ship all about, what was this dock all about, and everything. So, yeah, madaming information ang mga nakapost dyan. Diba? So, yan na yung museum. Diyan tayo pupunta, mga ka-sweetie pie, and I'm gonna see you later. Bye-bye! So, mga ka-sweet lambs, we're going inside the museum na. And, because this SS Nomadic, it's only the last remaining of the White Star Line vessel. So, yan na lang yung nag-iisang natira na line vessel sa Titanic ship. So, we'll see kung pwede tayong pumasok without a ticket. Hopefully, yes. So this is what you get the Titanic, mga ka-sweet langs. And yeah, may ref magnet dyan, oh. Gusto mo bili tayo? So syempre, because it's a priority to buy a memorabilia, we're gonna be buying some, I don't know, because shops here. And my husband is looking around. And look at this. Look at this, mga ka-sweet langs ko. Para siyang ano, ganyan siya, oh. Oh, sombrero ng mga, di ba ganito yung sombrero ng captain? Ganyan yung sombrero ng captain noon, mga ka-sweetie pie. So, we'll see kung ano yung bibilihin ng aking sweetie pie. Yeah. And, yeah. Andito yung mga memorabilia. Yan. Daming tao. And let's see. Labs, hindi pwede dito umakyat. Nakasara. Mga ka-sweet langs, unfortunately, we cannot go upstairs dahil yun na pala yung kailangan mo yung ticket. So, kung wala kang ticket, mga ka-sweet langs, pwede ka lang sa ground floor. And you cannot go upstairs kasi yun na yung museum. Hindi kami nagbayad. So, at saka hindi na namin masyadong top priority. At least, nakapunta na kami dito. Diba? And we bought some memorabilia and we're heading back to the city. Bye! Mga ka-sweet lang, so this is the last part of our tour. And we are here at the Belfast City Hall. And we don't need a ticket to go inside. It's just a free place to visit. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what's in front of the hall, the City Hall. And in the city center area. Look at the place. That's my husband. And yeah, that's the bus stop. This is the front of the City Hall. It seems like the building in London as well. Pare-pares lang naman sila ng kulay, mga ka-sweet langs, pero it's a different building. I mean, syempre, nandito tayo sa Belfast, mga magkakapares lang talaga yung mga ano niyan, mga gawa. Pero para siyang ano, mga ka-sweetie pie, para siyang museum, para siyang simbahan, pero City Hall yan, City Hall. And naiihi na ako. Labs, dito tayo lang sa harap and then we'll go inside. So, magpipicture lang tayo mga ka-sweet langs para maipakita ko sa inyo. Wala na yung nakalagay na Belfast. Kasi dati, ang sabi nung lalaki, ayan o, tinanggal na nila. May bakanting ano dyan, tinanggal na nila yung Belfast. So, sayang naman. Kaya pala may mga naka-park dyan na mga car nung mga nakaraan, tinanggal nila. So, this is the say hi, loves.
Hello.
Yeah, okay. See ya! So this is the front, mga ka-sweet langs. And wow.
After two, I want to show you something else.
Mm.
See, people go and do that.
So, look. Adating sa Where's my husband? So, may mga ganyan siya. This is exhibition room 16. So, madami siyang exhibition room, mga ka-sweet langs. So, Belfast Home of Fame. So, this is the Hall of Fame, mga ka-sweet langs. So, these are those people behind Belfast. William Thompson, Ireland's greatest all-around naturalist of 19th century. We got Lord Kelvin, Major General Jane Hazard, John Stuart Bell, FRS. So, yeah.